Gentle fingers touch my skin, guided by the voice within. Branches sway and secrets call, hidden messages for all. Every breath a world anew, winds are singing just for you. The voice of the wind, calling my name, leading me on, never the same. Every echo wild and free, let the breeze unravel me. The voice of the wind, calling my name, leading me on, never the same. Every echo wild and free, let the breeze unravel me. Shifting clouds and endless sky, questions carried as they fly, paths unknown beneath the blue. Wind reveals a point of view, open heart, just let it hear. Softest word. Shining bright across the night, breaking darkness with my light. Every shadow fades.